Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Deprex, DJ Sen, and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Centrum By, and Oldest Shilla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion, and music at the event.
For details, contact 93627 83292 and 98628
Don't miss it.
The border coordination meeting between the Inspector General BSF Meghalaya, Guwahati, Silchar and Tripura and the Region Commander Border Guards Bangladesh was held in Shillong from the 27th to 29th November 2021. While the Indian delegation was led by the Inspector General BSF Tripura IPS Sushanta Kumar Nath, that of Bangladesh was led by the Additional Director General Region Commander Southeast Region Chattogram Tanveer Gani Chaudhary. A press conference held on the final day of the Border Coordination Committee also included the Region Commander Northeastern Region, Sarel, Sector Commanders of the BGB Kamila, Silhet, Mymensingh and other BGB delegates. Issues like security along the border between India and Bangladesh, trans-border crimes, joint efforts for prevention of smuggling and illegal immigration, or infiltration by Bangladeshi nationals, and improvement of relations between the two border forces were discussed. The BSF had presented facts and figures of Indian insurgency groups in Bangladesh and requested the region commander of the BGB to take effective measures to stop illegal migration of Bangladeshi nationals, the prevention of trans-border crimes, and lastly, the destruction of Indian insurgency groups still present on Bangladeshi soil.
During the meeting, fruitful discussion was held on various important issues of bilateral concern, including smuggling of contraband items, drugs, narcotics, cattle, and other items, issues like insurgency, developmental issues in ICPs and LCAs and other bordering places, and also various other border related issues of common concern to both of us. Our endeavor remained to look into all these issues in the right perspective on various border problems with an open mind and in a positive attitude. Border coordination meetings between both the friendly border guarding forces was held in the backdrop of countrywide celebration of 50th year of Bangladesh Liberation War 1971. We have also discussed regarding organizing various more such events of jointly, such as friendly games, sports, cultural activities for enhancing the cooperation and goodwill between the two border guarding forces, as well as to strengthen the friendship amongst the border population on either side of international border.
The Border Guards of Bangladesh, represented by the Region Commander Border Guards Bangladesh Tanveer Gani Chaudhary, paid respect to the father of the nation of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and also freedom fighters, fallen heroes, and Indian soldiers who had fought in the Bangladesh Liberation War. Speaking to media persons, the BGP region commander emphasized upon firing, kidnapping of Bangladeshi nationals by the BSF or Indian nationals, the smuggling of various types of narcotics from India to Bangladesh, and the resolution to border-related issues to develop and foster better understanding and relations between the BGB and the BSF.
Some important border-related issues were discussed in depth and efforts have been taken to curb the trans-border crimes. We have expressed zero tolerance for insurgents activities, smugglings of arms and explosives, human trafficking, drugs, etc. Both the forces agreed to further strengthen the existing preventive measures against such crimes. We have also agreed to take necessary action to further sensitize the border population, increase vigilance in the vulnerable areas, and share valuable information regarding drugs or narcotics and arms dealer for a better result to yield. We have also agreed to enhance the confidence building measures between both the forces by regular engagement and arranging various types of events at different levels. Thankfully, we have been able to identify areas where amplified attention is required at both ends. The aim of this conference is not only to resolve border-related issues, but also to develop and foster better understanding and good relations between the two border guarding forces. The very positive gesture exhibited by Border Security Force India has strengthened our confidence. We have our firm belief that the outcome of this conference will further solidify the existing bonds of friendship and traditional ties between our two forces.